Hello student. So in previous video we have seen theorem upon the cyclic group, that is the order of the group generated by a to the power k is equal to group generated by a to the power gcd of n and k, where this order of a is equal to n. Okay, so h ऑर्डर जर n असेल तर ग्रुप जनरेटेड बाय a to the power k equal to this, and this order of a to the power k which will be equal to n upon this gcd of n and k. So this is theorem we proved in previous lecture. So याच्यावरचे काही एक्झाम्पल आहेत, ते एक्झाम्पल बघूया. if order of a equal to 30, a ची ऑर्डर 30 दिलेली आहे, then group generated by a to the power 26 will be equal to group generated by what will be equal to a to the power gcd of this n. What is n? N is here 30 and k is 26. Okay, so this will be equal to gcd of this will be equal to 2, so this will be equal to a square. Okay, similarly group generated by a to the power 23, what it will be equal to a to the power gcd of this 23 and 30. Okay, so this will be a to the power gcd 1, so this will be a. Okay. So similarly we can show the group generated by a to the power 21 equal to this will be a cube. Okay, from this second part we can show that the order of a to the power 23 is nothing but this is n is 30 upon gcd of this 30 and 23, that is 30 upon 1. And similarly also we can show the order of this a to the power 22 is nothing but 15. Okay, so this is some example of this theorem. So याच्या पुढे काही corollaries आहेत. So we will see this corollary of this previous theorem. The first corollary: in a finite cyclic group, the order of an element divides the order of group. Okay, because what we know that the order of element is nothing but this group generated by subgroup generated by this element, and subgroup order of this subgroup divided because of Lagrange's theorem the order of group. Therefore the order of element divides the order of group. So this will be very obvious. Okay, so next corollary, second: let the order of element equal to n, then group generated by a to the power I is equal to a to the power j if and only if gcd of ni which is equal to gcd of nj. Okay, and if this order of ai is equal to order of aj if and only if gcd of ni equal to gcd of nj. Okay, सो इथं ऑर्डर दिली आहे आपल्याला एलिमेंटची n, त्याच्यावरून हे क्रायटेरिया जो आहे की ग्रुप जनरेटेड बाय ए टू द पॉवर आय आणि हे ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट्स इक्वल कधी असतील. सो सो जो फर्स्ट पार्ट आहे तो आपण प्रूव्ह करूयात. जर ए टू दी पॉवर आय इक्वल टू आपल्याला माहिती आहे, वी नो दिस ए टू दी पॉवर आय इज बाय प्रिवियस थेरम this a to the power I is nothing but a to the power of GCD of this order of a into comma I, and this a to or group generated by a to the power j will be nothing but this group generated by a to the power GCD of n into n comma j. Okay, so theorem, so this statement becomes, हे statement काय होईल, so theorem becomes a to the power GCD of ni will be equal to a to the power GCD of n j if and only if GCD of ni equal to GCD of nj. Okay, so we have put these values of group generated by ai is equal to this in this statement. So we get this statement. So we will prove this statement. So we will take the first part, that P implies Q. So what is P? If suppose a to the power GCD of ni group generated by this is equal to group generated by a to the power of GCD of nj. Okay, so what it implies, this is nothing but this order of a to the power GCD of ni is equal to order of this element a to the power GCD of nj. Okay, so from second conclusion of this previous theorem, it will be equal to, so by second conclusion of previous theorem, so this is nothing but this n upon nothing but n upon GCD of ni, and this is equal to, this is n upon, this is equal to GCD of, I will write on next page. So this will be n upon GCD of ni, which is equal to n upon GCD of nj. So this will get n cancel, so this will get GCD of ni, so which is equal to GCD of nj. Okay, so first part has been proved, P implies Q. So now this we will show this Q implies P. Suppose GCD of ni which is equal to GCD of nj. Okay, so if GCD of ni is equal to GCD of nj, so obviously a to the power GCD of ni, okay, so this can be written as a to the power GCD of ni equal to this, हे value put करूया, so this will be GCD of nj. Okay, so this is first part. So Q implies P is very obvious. So जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट आहे दिस, तो आपण प्रूव्ह करूयात. सो if order of a to the power I is equal to order of a to the power j, सो हे आपण कन्सिडरेशनला घेतलेलं आहे. सो आपला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे, जी सी डी ऑफ एन आय इज इक्वल टू जी सी डी ऑफ एन जे. सो प्रिव्हियस थेरम आहे आपल्याकडे. सो व्हॉट इट इम्प्लाइज बाय, so this will be nothing but n upon gcd of ni, and this will be equal to, this will be n upon gcd of nj, since by previous theorem. Okay, so this will cancel, which will imply gcd of ni which is equal to gcd of nj. Okay, so q implies p. So if we consider conversely, suppose if gcd of ni which is equal to gcd of nj, so we have to show this order of this two elements are equal. So gcd of ni, gcd of nj, so by previous theorem, so by first part of this theorem we know that what is first pi. So this is first pi, gcd are equal, then this subgroup or group generated by these two elements will be equal. So this will imply this, the group generated by a to the power I is equal to group generated by a to the power j. So by previous or the first corollary of this the theorem before previous theorem, we know that corollary that the order of element is nothing but this order of group generated by this element. Okay, so order of element is equal to the order, or we can say that the cardinality of group generated by this element. So from this corollary we can, this can be written as the order of this a to the power I which is equal to this order of this a to the power j. So we have to show, and this q implies p has been proved. So this proves the theorem. So next corollary आहे याच्यामधले corollary. Let order of a equal to n, then this group generated by a will be equal to group generated by aj if and only if gcd of nj is equal to 1. And second part of this corollary is if the order of a will be equal to order or the cardinality of group generated by a to the power j if and only if gcd of this nj n comma j equal to 1. Okay, so आपण जे थेरम आहे ते थेरमचा यूज करून हे प्रूव्ह करूयात. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट जर कन्सिडरेशनला घेतला आपण याचा, सो लेट group generated by a will be equal to group generated by a to the power j. Okay, so previous corollary जे आहे हे जर corollary पाहिलं, so here I is equal to 1. so याच्यावरून काय लिहू शकतो आपण, gcd of n1 equal to gcd of nj. Okay, by previous corollary we have I equal to 1 here, thus it will imply, what it will imply, gcd of this n1 which is equal to 1. Okay, which will be equal to gcd of nj. Okay, so 1 equal to of GCD of ENJ. So we have proved this. Now if Q implies P, this is Q is true, so GCD of ENJ equal to 1, so this will be equal to GCD of EN1. Okay, so if this is equal to this, then what it will implies from this previous corollary, that is a to the power I group generated by a to the power I equal to group generated by a to the power j. So here I equal to 1, so this will obviously hold. Similarly, if we take this second part, that is order of A is equal to order of group generated by a to the power j. So we have to show that this GCD of nj is equal to 1. Okay, so from the corollary of previous theorem, we have showed that this order of element, which is nothing but the order of or the cardinality of group generated by this element. So this will imply the cardinality of group generated by this element, which is equal to the order or the cardinality of this group generated by this. Okay, and the second part of this previous corollary, that is if the order of these two elements are equal, okay, then so if this, okay, so yeah, we know that the from this corollary that this order of this element is nothing but the order of group generated by if you write this a to the power I is nothing but order of this element is equal to the order of group generated by a to the power I. So we can write this as this order of a to the power I, which is equal to order of a to the power j. And from this previous corollary, okay, so this is here I is equal to 1, so this will be 1. Okay, so from previous corollary, what will it implies? It will implies GCD of this ni. Yes, so I equal to 1, so GCD of n1 is equal to GCD of nj. So GCD of this quantity is nothing but 1, so it will imply GCD of nj, which will be equal to 1. Okay, so we have used so this result of this corollary we have used here. Okay, so if we consider this q implies p, that is GCD of nj equal to 1, so GCD of nj is equal to 1, and which is equal to GCD of n1. Okay, so GCD of nj equal to GCD of n1. So from the second part of previous corollary, it will imply the order of this a to the power I equal to 1, which is equal to order of a to the power j. So this reverse implication also hold. Okay, so we have used this part, the second part. So this corollary are also important. So this corollary is very important to find the generator. ह्या corollary यूज करून आपण ग्रुपचे जनरेटर फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. जर इथे ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट इज n, ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट n दिलेली आहे, सो दिस इज n, सो द व्हॅल्यू इथं पुट केले, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू n. सो ग्रुप जनरेटेड बाय दिस ए टू द पॉवर जे, त्याची ऑर्डर n असेल. सो आणि n असल्यामुळे जर समजा g ची ऑर्डर n आहे, so we can write this a to the power j is the generator of group. So this corollary will become, याला असं लिहू शकतो आपण, नेक्स्ट corollary generator of Zn, an integer k in Zn is generator if and only if GCD of this nk which is equal to 1. Okay, so a to the power k is generator means a to the power k, the group generated by the element a to the power k will be equal to g, and this k will be generator केव्हा असेल, if GCD of this nk is equal to 1 असेल, so k will be a generator for this Zn. Zn is nothing but this group of addition modulo n. Okay, so these are important corollaries. So